Alright, welcome to the show. Let's talk about what nobody else talks about. Carbon air arc gouging. Everybody thinks it's so easy. 9 out of 10 people do it wrong. So I thought I really had it figured out. I thought I had a really good teacher like 15, 18 years ago teaching me. And I have air arced a lot in my life off of different engine drives, different plug-in-the-wall machines, and I thought for sure I'm at least a solid 7 out of 10, and air arcing, it's all good. I own it. I know how to do it. Well, I was in Texas and had a very, very humbling experience. Now I know I was just the blind. I was the one-eyed who's amongst the blind and who's the king. But in reality, real professionals that really know how to air arc and that can air arc at half or 2/3 of what the rod is rated for and have such a steady hand, well, I'm just not that guy with that steady hand. I mean, credit where credit is due. I met Isaac from IC Welds, and he gave the new Invertig 400 a run for its money, tried out the gouging program, and he had some phenomenal results, much better than I can ever air arc. So I had to take some lessons from Isaac on how to air arc properly. There you go.
Little tiny weave in there, but it's kind of hard to do. Yeah, at that low amperage, for sure. Okay, what are we? Let's go lower. Let's go 100.
I mean, it's pretty clean though.
Oh, the air's a little off.
It's clean. I don't see any carbon inclusions or anything.
Yeah, that's really low amp. That's what, 5/16?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's 5/16.
That's a big rod for a low amperage.
Yeah. I
Go
brought
about another 85. Very nice. A little better.
Yeah, that's too big of a rod for that machine.
Yeah, it is, yeah. That was fun.
Yeah, it's fun. I mean, and it did it clean.
What did we do this at?
100, I think.
Let's try 80.
I think the arc force is kicking in and it's like bumping it up.
Think so?
Yes, when I look at the display, you want me to gouge and you look at the display?
Okay.
And that is straight 130.
No arc force.
No arc force, straight 130.
Not very low. That is very low.
Okay, 145.
That was just for fun. Like a snake back or something, you know.
Yeah.